Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get source code from Wix website. First thing first, log into your Wix account and open the site editor for the website you want to work on. Click on the element you want to grab the code for, like an embed box, iframe, or custom HTML element. If it's a custom embed, you'll see an enter code or settings button. Click it to view HTML or iframe snippet. Copy the HTML snippet displayed in the editor, and you can now pass this snippet into other websites or platforms or editors that support custom HTML. Just note that Wix does not allow exporting the full HTML, CSS, or JS of an entire website. This method only works for specific embedded elements like widgets, iframes, third-party embeds. And if you want to migrate your full Wix site elsewhere, you'll need to manually rebuild it or use an external website builder. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.